Carry me enter school. Now we want bless school. Yeah, now we want bless Ajogbo. So they don't call me say, man, come bless them. Say we won't do. No man, my job. I know she must support you.
Guys, no be small thing. Now, we'll actually play the rest of the clip for us to take a look at the rest of the moment Portable had today when he visited a school in his village. Portable decided to bless this school by renovating their building. Someone no be small thing. No, Portable is always showing love to the street. If you wanna mention artists that do show love to the street, like Portable is among them. Davido, Whiskey, like a lot of them. I just love the fact that Portable is always showing love to the street. He visited the school today with one Oyibo lady like that. Enjoy the rest of the moment they had and share your thoughts on what you guys think. One word for Portable, Big Vicky, I'm out.
No, I did not. Say God no bless me.
God bless you.
This morning where you see me, only small doings what I don't show you. I don't see people they follow me, they reason me. Okay. I they live bad life.
No.
I they live oral life.
You just live a good life.
I'm living my good life, personal life.
In your own area.
In my own kingdom. That's zazu. I live with the zoo. I'm a babu. When you want come zoo, oh my respect, yara. Zoo that be barakini. You package yourself. Anything where they deserve for zoo, you go cause. Do you know what we call Enukini? No worry. Now for line your mouth too. So Ben wa hello. Line your mouth too. Ni owo wa to ba ko boy no line your. When put out for line your mouth, go bite you. What get wine. And the best for you, Ni. He said, I want to see you.
Has been the craziest day of my stay.